So in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the TPMS light sensors on this Volvo. This is a Volvo XC90, but the same procedure applies to other Volvos such as the S90 or the newer XC60 as well. So to reset, the first thing you need to do to reset the TPMS sensors is make sure that you fill up the tires to the recommended pressure. That you have the pressure sticker on the door frame on the driver's door. Once you do that, what you want to do is you want to come in here, then press this right here. If you're in a different screen, just press this here. You'll see car status. Under car status, you have a few things that you can check, you know, messages, status, and TPMS right down here. Alright, so you're gonna fill up the tires to recommended pressure, and then what we do is we hit this store pressure, press OK. It'll take a few seconds. It'll basically record these values as the recommended values, and it'll reset any old values that might be stored for the TPMS. So it's kind of doing a little calibration of the tire pressure monitoring system, and after a few seconds it should be done. And that's it. Thank you for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.